Hi guys, I was gifted this 39-inch cleaning wand. So it's really thin, so you can put it down next to your radiator in your car or in your HVAC if you need to clean the condenser coil around your air conditioning. So it has your pressure washer nipple here. It also has on-off valve here. So you can turn the water off and get it where you need to, and then turn the water on. It's got quick connect couplers, so that's kind of cool. And this one swivels, so you can put it any direction. So let me go take it outside. I'll hook it up to my pressure washer and clean out the radiator of my Jeep, and I'll clean out the radiator of my air conditioning unit. Alright guys, I got the wand here. Let me show you what it looks like before I put it in there. It's got a big old screen. Slip it down behind your radiator. Work it back and forth here. See all the dirt, grime and stuff coming out the radiator. Work it up and down. Also the air conditioning condenser. I'm gonna go do it on my air conditioning on my house. You always want to pull the power fuse right there before you start do this to the air conditioning, because you don't want the fan to kick on while you're cleaning it. So put it down here. They just put the wand down and then move it around the air conditioning condenser here to clean it out. So this tool is awesome for doing projects like this around the house at the shop. So if you guys need a wand like this, go ahead and buy it.